simpler table creation, organized data management, and robust functionality. Ninja Tables simply changes the way you build your tables in WordPress. And to make sure you get it right from the start, we created the Ninja Tables Playbook, your go-to guide for crafting eye-catching interactive tables on the go. Let's take a sneak peek into the gold mine that's packed with all you need to build WordPress tables from scratch. We kick things off in a beginner-friendly way by crafting our very first table using Ninja Tables' intuitive drag-and-drop builder to keep things simple and clear. Once the table is up and running, we'll jump into making it look amazing. You'll learn all about the customization options, so your tables don't just work well, they also stand out visually. If you're not a fan of starting from scratch, no problem. We'll explore how to use templates to quickly create all kinds of tables, whether it's a product list, pricing table, comparison chart, or anything else you need. In this Ninja Tables playbook, we've also covered easy export and import, so moving your data around is hassle-free. And in case you want to tweak your tables even further, we'll show you how to merge or split cells in just a few clicks. But wait, there's more! Adding media like images, videos, GIFs, or clickable buttons inside your table is super straightforward, and we'll walk you through it. Plus, you'll learn how to turn those images into slick, full-screen pop-ups with the Lightbox feature, giving your tables the professional, interactive vibe. To make your data presentation smarter and easier to navigate, we'll explore how to use dynamic fields to manage multiple datasets efficiently. On top of that, a module on smart filtering is also in the playbook so that your users can quickly find exactly what they need. In case you're looking to make your tables really shine, check out our step-by-step tutorial on conditional formatting, which is perfect for spotlighting key info you need. And for those of you who love getting creative, there's a tutorial packed with custom CSS tricks to make your tables more interactive and visually appealing. Want your table content to be clickable like links or buttons? No worries, we cover that too. If you're running a WooCommerce store, you're in luck. We've put together a guide to help you build stunning product tables that can really boost your sales. Besides, if you work with Google Sheets, you'll love our walkthrough on integrating it with Ninja Tables, so your data updates happen automatically and hassle-free. And for Fluent Forms users, we've got a simple way to turn form submissions into tables without breaking a sweat. Bloggers, we haven't forgotten you! There's a special walkthrough on how to turn your blog into a table within seconds and display it beautifully on your site. And to finish things off on a high note, we dive into Ninja Charts, showing you how to create powerful, eye-catching visual reports that perfectly complement your data. So that's the Ninja Tables playbook in a nutshell. From scratch to stunning data presentation, it's all in the playbook to help you build tables like a pro. Say goodbye to hassle and explore the simplest way to create and style WordPress tables with this Ninja Tables playbook. And don't forget to subscribe to WP Manage Ninja for more awesome WordPress tips and tricks. Goodbye!